Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you all fine and good. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Today my topic is very interesting because my topic is what is the system in physics. A system in physics, a collection of a project. There are three types of system. There are open system, closed system, and isolated system. An isolated system is a system that has no net external force. A solid system is a system that has not no net external force acting on it. The momentum of the system is consistent and the energy of the system is conserved. Isolated system is in a physics overview type and examples. So you can see what is the example of open, closed, and isolated system. And open system is a system that exchange that matter and energy with the surrounding. Melting ice cubes is an example of this. A closed system is a system that only exchange energy with its surroundings. Melting ice cubes is an example of this. A closed system is a system that only exchange energy. A system that exchange matter and a tea kettle before office whistle blows is an example. What is meant by an isolated system? What is the difference between isolated and closed system? So the because of this energy exchanged in a closed system has not net external force acting on it. In the universe, or example of isolated system, the universe is an isolated system because, as far as we know, there's nothing else other than our universe. So there is an external environment that our universe can change matter of energy with. So what is isolated system in physics? Is system is a collection of objects. For example, a system could be a celled on the person of the sled, or a system could be a person, a sled, and a dog pulling the sled. There is no limit to how many objects can be a part of a system. So I hope you all like my video. If you all like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. I hope you all like my video. So I'm gonna meet with our next video. Goodbye.